Kent Grand Row Water Purifier Review. Looking for a reliable water purifier for your home? The Kent Grand Row Water Purifier is packed with cutting-edge technology, including ro+uv+uf+ TDS control, ensuring pure and safe drinking water. It's EC marked for quality, features an 8 liters storage tank, and offers a 20 lph flow rate, perfect for families. The sleek white design makes it a stylish addition to your kitchen, while the 1000 exchange discount adds great value. Pros: advanced purification with TDS control, large 8L tank for uninterrupted supply, certified quality and safety, EC marked. UV LED ensures bacteria-free water. Cons: maintenance can be slightly pricey, requires electricity to function. Rating: 4.55. Upgrade your water purifier today. Buy now and enjoy an exclusive 1000 rupees off on exchange.